A lot of people talk about homophones, synonyms, and antonyms, but no one really talks about heteronyms. Heteronyms are words that are spelled the same, but different in pronunciations and meanings. Let's look at some of them, and you'll be surprised how many you already use every day. For example, this word. I know you know this word as blessed, but do you know that this word can also be pronounced as blessed? Yes, because heteronyms are words that are pronounced differently but the same in spelling and different in meaning. When this word is pronounced as blessed, it is usually an adjective meaning holy or favored. For example, she is a blessed woman. It can also be used as a name, like Blessed Constance. Then it becomes a proper noun. The other pronunciation, blessed, it is the past tense of bless, and it is a verb. For example, the pastor blessed the congregation. The next word I'd like us to look at is this word. I know you know this word as tear, but do you know that this word can also be pronounced as tear? When you pronounce this word as tear, you're referring to what comes out when you cry. For example, the tear rolled down her cheek. But when this word is pronounced as tear, it simply means to rip something apart. For example, please don't tear the paper. The next word I'd like us to look at right now is this word. I know you pronounce this word as wind, but do you know that this word can also be pronounced as wind? When it is pronounced as wind, you're talking about moving air. For example, the wind is blowing strongly today. When this word is pronounced as wind, it simply means to twist or turn. For example, please wind the clock. The next word is this. I know you pronounce this word as minute, but do you know that this word can also be pronounced as minute? When this word is pronounced as minute, it means 60 seconds. For example, wait a minute. When this word is pronounced as minute, it simply means tiny or very small. For example, there is a minute difference between them. The next word is this. I know you pronounce this word as object, but do you know that this word can also be pronounced as object? When this word is pronounced as object, it simply means a thing. For example, the object on the table is mine. But when this word is pronounced as object, it simply means to disagree. For example, I object to that. I am Constance Kingsley, your coach for pronunciation, expression, and etiquette. Remember, speaking right is our pride. And don't just speak, enunciate.